In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font settings in Claude AI. Clear, comfortable text can make your conversations easier to read, reduce eye strain, and help you stay focused. So let's walk through exactly where to find these options and what each setting does. First, log in to Claude AI in your browser. Once you're on the main chat screen, look down to the bottom left corner. You'll see your profile icon there. This might be your avatar or just your initials. Click that icon to open your account menu. From the menu that appears, choose Settings. This opens a panel where you can manage how Claude looks and behaves. We're going to focus on display preferences, so within the settings, select the Appearance tab. This is where the visual options live, including themes, and most importantly for today, your chat font. Inside Appearance, find the section labeled Chat Font. You'll see a few options you can switch between instantly. The first is Default. This is the standard Claude font, carefully chosen to balance readability and space. If you're not sure what to pick, Default is a great all-around choice that works well for most people and most screen sizes. Next is Match System. Selecting this makes Claude use the default font settings from your computer's operating system. If you like your apps to look consistent, or if you've already customized system fonts for accessibility, this option will make Claude match that familiar feel. It can also be helpful if you rely on your system's font rendering or language settings. The third option is dyslexic friendly. This font is designed with distinct letter shapes and spacing to reduce common reading confusions, which can be especially helpful for dyslexic readers. Even if you're not dyslexic, you might find this style easier on the eyes during long reading sessions because of its clear, open forms. As soon as you click a font choice, the change applies immediately. No extra save button needed. You'll see the new font reflected in both new messages and your existing conversations, so you can quickly compare how each option looks with real content. If the change doesn't appear right away, give it a moment. Occasionally, the interface needs a second to refresh. A few tips as you decide. Pick the font that keeps you comfortable over time, not just what looks novel at first glance. You can switch back at any point, and your choice won't affect the content or quality of responses, only how text is displayed on your screen. That's it. You've learned where to find the appearance settings and how to choose the font that works best for you in Claude AI.